The key story here is that Microsoft is winning this cloud game when it comes to growth, when it comes to bringing in new customers. And we saw it in this report. So ultimately, Microsoft revenue is $33.7 billion. As you mentioned, that was 12% growth, ninth straight quarter of double-digit growth. And Azure growth grew about 64%. Now, that was a little bit of a slowdown, but 64% in Azure, Microsoft's cloud service. Its commercial cloud revenues were $11 billion in the quarter. So that includes Azure. It also includes those Office 365 subscriptions and those commercial LinkedIn products. So again, focus on the enterprise cloud business here. CEO Satya Nadella taking a bit of a victory lap on the earnings call last night when it comes to the progress they've made in cloud. Take a listen.
Our commercial cloud business is the largest in the world, surpassing $38 billion in revenue for the year, with gross margin expanding to 63%. I'm proud of what we have accomplished over the last 12 months, and I'm energized by the tremendous opportunity ahead. Every day, we work alongside our customers to help them build their own digital capability, creating new businesses with them, innovating with them, and earning their trust.
Now, when you look at the overall market for cloud infrastructure, Microsoft is still number 2 after Amazon's AWS. But the story has been the progress that it's made in taking market share away from that company. Ultimately, Google Cloud's now number 3. So you can see that Amazon or Microsoft really making progress in this. It's that enterprise client. Microsoft's market value now above $1 trillion and looks like it's only going to get higher in trading today.
The key to this, it seems to me, is that even as you provide the cloud infrastructure and platform, you still ultimately have to have software as a service that your customers want. So people risk confiscating these or confusing these two issues of, well, isn't it great that it's all on the cloud now, with the reality that you still need to provide a fundamental software service that your customer base wants to buy and is excited about. And is that what differentiates Microsoft from some of the other competitors at this point?
There's a combination of that SaaS, software as a service, and infrastructure as a service that they offer all in one. And we know that so many businesses already were on that Microsoft software. So it's easy if they're saying, okay, let's upgrade you to 365 in cloud. It's not as difficult of a transition versus bringing in a new client. They kind of had that built-in advantage there. Plus, it's something they've been thinking about for several years now. You know, Satya Nadella came in and said, cloud, cloud, cloud. We're going to shift our focus away from just that hardware, software offering and move it all into the cloud. And clearly, it's a bet that's paying off.
Away from that catchy name Azure to something else, I want to talk about the personal computing division of the business, which houses Xbox gaming consoles, and that's been a big one. The other big part of this business, Bing. I don't think anyone's mentioned Bing for a couple of years on here, but that is part of it, along with Surface laptops. This was not a bad division for them as well.
It wasn't. Surface revenues grew 14% last quarter, and these are the laptop products. It's also they have tablets. I visited the new Microsoft store that just opened in London. They have a new kind of retail flagship store, and a huge focus of that was driving people to these Surface products. It looked a lot like an Apple store, to be honest with you. There was a push to say, we think we can bring in not just the enterprise clients with these Surface devices, but also we want to bring in your average consumer who's looking for a laptop that might offer things that perhaps Apple might not even offer.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.